What's the meaning of Clara Bow? Clara Bow. Clara Bow.
Clara Bow. Clara Bow. Clara Bow was an American actress who rose to fame in the 1920s. She was known for her energetic and vivacious personality, as well as her distinctive bobbed hairstyle. Her nickname was the It Girl, which referred to her sex appeal and popularity. Clara Bow appeared in over 50 films during her career and was one of the biggest box office draws of the era. Despite facing personal struggles and health issues, she remains a beloved icon of early Hollywood and a symbol of the Roaring Twenties.